Hi team, in this video we are going to see how you can create a basic AMDP procedure and call it inside an ABAP report. So you will get an overview how these things works, right? So I will create a class inside local object, so I don't need to give any TR. So I will right click and click new, then ABAP class. Okay, we need to give some class name. So suppose we can give Z simple underscore AMDP, right? So we will give the same description also. Finish. We already have some code, we will use it. So as we already discussed, AMDP classes need to interface one interface, which is AMDP marker interface. So we will do the same thing. Interfaces, if underscore AMDP, you can press control space for auto completion. AMDP underscore marker underscore HDP. Okay, so we have interface. Now for creating a procedure we need a method we can create inside any visibility section. And one more thing, if this interface I try to write inside protected section, see what's happened. See, I am getting an error that says interfaces can only be implemented in the public section. So you should write your, you must write your interfaces in public section, right? But you can write your method in any section. So I will create one method. I will create a class method. So while using it, I don't need to create any kind of object. Okay. So this is the class method. We'll give name get underscore data, right? It will be exporting some value. So if you are aware, in RFC we use pass by value. So in AMDP also you use same thing. You cannot use pass by reference. So this thing you need to keep in your mind. And we need to provide some type for this internal table, type ty, suppose. So we need to declare this ty also. We will use types ty type table of s flight. So we are creating a type for s flight table, and we are using it to create a table type, and we are using it to give type for this exporting value, right, which is internal table. So here we are getting one error again that says implementation missing. So we will click on this button and we will click on add implementation for get data. So this code will be generated, inside which we can again start control space, and here we will get by database procedure. You can create function also, but we are currently creating procedure. Okay, HDB language, SQL script, using which table we are going to use, s flight. So whatever method we are whatever database table we are using inside this method, we need to provide it. So s flight. And if you are aware how AMDP works, AMDP method requires two things. First, which database you are going to use and which language you are going to use. Okay, so currently AMDP only works with HANA database, but originally it was designed to work with multiple database, so it is like that only. And inside this method we will not write normal ABAP code, we will write SQL script. So if you focus, we have periods after each statement, but if I write period here, it will not work. And this syntax are little different because it is SQL script. So to populate our IT, internal table, we will use directly equal to and one select query. So I am using a simplest select query, select star from S flight. Okay, I'm not giving anything else. So see, if I am giving a period, it is giving one error. If I use semicolon, it will not give any error, right? So now I will generate it. It is generated. Now we will call it from our ABAP report. So we will go to SC38 and create a simple report. Suppose we will give a name Z simple underscore report. Okay, and we will click on create. We will give some description, anything XYZ, and we can give the type executable program, save. We will select a local object. Okay, so as you can see, we have created one report. Now we will call that AMDP method from here. To call that method, we will use pattern, go to ABAP objects pattern, and we will give the class name. Class name, what was it? Z simple AMDP, right? So I will click enter on it, and we'll see what methods we are getting here. So get method automatically came, and if I click OK, I have generated the code. I will uncomment this, and I will use inline declaration to get this internal table IT. Right, now to print it, let's say we will do cl underscore demo output, and we will use display method, display. Let's see if we can print from this. And we need some spaces. Okay, now execute it. See, it is giving me proper output, whatever present inside this S-flight table. So you can create your AMDP procedure and consume it inside your report just like this. This was a very simple AMDP procedure, but you can create very complex procedures also following the same procedure. First you need to create one class and use this AMDP marker interface, and then you need to create one method, and you can create instance method or static method, whatever you want, and then you can use it inside your ABAP report just like you do call other methods. You can call it here, and you can perform any kind of operation on it. Here we have just displayed it, but if you want to modify it, anything you can do it, in short. So hope you like this video.